My name is Debbie. I was 25 years old then. I had just ended a 5-year relationship. He was not a stranger. He was my fiancé, my almost husband. We had grown up together. We knew each other's habits, fears, and weaknesses. But from the beginning, I felt something was wrong. He was kind, but he was never strong on his own. Every problem went to his mother. Every decision needed her voice. Sometimes I felt like I was dating a child who needed permission to be a man. But one day I looked at myself and did not recognize who I had become. So I ended it, not gently, not perfectly, but honestly. I can't do this anymore, I said. He cried. He begged. He said I was breaking his life. I walked away anyway. I moved into a small rented room near the city. I worked nights as a receptionist in an office building. My body was tired. My heart was angry. That's when he started following me. Not hiding, not pretending, just appearing outside my building, near my bus stop, across the street from my room. One night, I stopped and turned around. "Why are you here?" I asked. "I'm worried about you," he said. That made me angry. "I didn't ask you to worry," I said. He looked hurt, but he didn't leave. Some nights he said nothing. Some nights he asked questions like we were still together. "You ate. You're working too much. You look thin." I felt watched. I felt my anger growing every day. One Friday night, I decided to escape my own thoughts. I went on a date. Nothing serious, just dinner. The restaurant was warm and full. Then I saw him, my ex, sitting at a table across the room with a woman. His hand on hers, his face relaxed. I felt my chest burn. He could follow me every night, but smile for someone else? I drank too fast. I laughed too loudly. That night, I went home angry at him and at myself. After that, he disappeared. Friday passed. Monday passed. Then a full week. No shadow, no footsteps, no calm voice behind me. For the first time, I breathed. I kept seeing the new man. He was kind. He listened. But something was missing. I didn't feel pulled. I didn't feel chosen. After 1 month, I ended it. "I don't feel it," I said. He nodded. He understood. That night, I went to a bar alone. I drank slowly at first, then faster, not because I wanted to forget him, but because I couldn't stop thinking. I kept thinking the same thought. Maybe I was the difficult one. Maybe I asked too much from someone who was trying. I looked around the bar. People were talking, laughing, touching hands. I felt very small. Then I saw them. My ex was sitting a few tables away with her, his new girlfriend. She was leaning toward him. He was holding her hand. They were smiling. They were talking. And I knew what they were talking about. The same things we used to talk about at the beginning. My chest tightened. I felt jealous. Not angry jealous, empty jealous. Like my life had stopped moving while his kept going. I took another drink. I felt stupid. 5 years with me, and now he looked lighter. I thought maybe he was never the problem. Maybe I was. Maybe he just needed time, and I didn't wait. I felt like a failure. Then it happened. He looked up, and he saw me. For a second his smile disappeared. Our eyes met. He did not look angry. He did not look cold. He looked sorry for me. That look hurt more than anything else. Because in that moment, I understood something. He wasn't chasing me anymore. He wasn't waiting. He had moved on, and I was the one sitting alone, drinking, questioning every decision I ever made. I looked away first. I felt ashamed. Not because I missed him, but because I doubted myself. I stayed until my drink was finished. Then I stood up. As I walked out, I didn't look back again.